In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Visa gift card on hold. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly activate and use a Visa gift card. I'm going to focus on these brands of gift cards here. You can find this official list of gift card issuers by going over to visa.com, selecting the Visa gift cards option, and you will be able to see them listed here. Now, if you have any of these gift cards, what you can do is scroll all the way down and they will have this option, Learn how to check balance. If you click this, they are going to give you a rundown on how to activate and use your Visa gift card. So, if you look at the back of your physical gift card, you will find a link or a web address and a phone number. There are two ways to fix any problems attributed to your Visa gift card, especially with it being on hold. So you can call the number on the back or visit the website or link listed in there through a web browser on your computer or your phone. For the most part, if your card is on hold, you simply have to wait, but you can try this method that I'm going to show you here to speed up the process. For this video, I'm going to pretend that I'm visiting the website for the Visa Vanilla gift card. In here, you will be able to find plenty of options, such as the option to activate your card and check the balance. This is going to be the same across all of these websites and all Visa gift card issuers. You can call the number on the back if you prefer to talk to an agent, but if you go to the website, you can do the activation process by yourself, where you can include the card number, expiration date, and security code, and this will allow you to activate the card to make sure that it is ready to be used for in-store or online purchases. As soon as you are done activating the card, it is going to be ready to be used and you can check the balance to make sure that it matches the purchase that you are trying to make. If you activate the card and it still tells you that it is on hold, then you simply have to wait until it is active by the issuer. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Visa gift card on hold. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.